Welcome to our comparison video where we take a closer look at two popular dashcams, the Avilet Dashcam Wi-Fi 2K and the Baesu Dashcam Front and Rear. In this video, we will explore their specifications, features, and performance to help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. Let's dive in. The Avilet Dashcam Wi-Fi 2K offers a resolution of 2Ks, providing clear and detailed footage for your driving experiences. In contrast, the Baesu Dashcam Front and Rear boasts a higher resolution of 2.5K for the front camera and 1440p for the rear and interior cameras, ensuring even sharper images and more detail in your recordings. This difference in resolution can significantly impact the clarity of the footage captured, especially in critical situations. The Avilet Dashcam is designed for simplicity and ease of use, featuring Wi-Fi connectivity that allows you to control the camera through an app. However, it only has a single lens, limiting its recording capabilities. On the other hand, the Baesu Dashcam offers a triple camera setup that captures footage from the front, rear, and interior, providing comprehensive coverage for your vehicle. This feature makes it an excellent choice for those looking for maximum security. When it comes to pricing, the Avilet Dashcam Wi-Fi 2K is priced at $59, making it an affordable option for budget-conscious consumers. In contrast, the Baesu Dashcam is priced at $79, reflecting its additional features and capabilities. While the higher price may deter some, the added functionality of the Baesu could justify the investment for those seeking enhanced safety and security. In conclusion, both the Avilet Dashcam Wi-Fi 2K and the Baesu Dashcam Front and Rear have their unique strengths. The Avilet is ideal for those looking for a budget-friendly, easy-to-use option, while the Baesu provides comprehensive coverage with its triple camera setup and higher resolution. Consider your specific needs and budget when making your choice. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.